Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to participate in the Smart Layer Network Airdrop campaign. So this is a trending campaign that a lot of people are participating, so please make sure to join it so that you will not miss out. So Smart Layer Network is a decentralized service network that solves Web 2 problems with Web 3 tech. So in this video I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step guide on how to participate in this campaign. And according to the information I saw in their website, this project is going to go on mainnet late 2023. So now we still have October, November and December to show you that very soon this project is going to launch, except the team of this project decides to take it to next year. But just put this in mind that very soon this project is going to launch. What you only need is your time and dedication into this project by just completing some simple quests, which I'm going to show you guys in this video. So for you to start, what you need to do is to check the description of this video or check the comment section for my referral link, because if you are to use my referral link, they are going to give you points for joining this project. And put this in mind, as of the time of recording this video, the teams of this project have not announced any token, but you can perform some quests to get the Smart Layer point. And you know, any project that decide to give out points to each participant, surely they must give out an airdrop reward. That is for sure. So please make sure to accumulate more points for you to qualify for this airdrop. So for you to start, like I say, please make sure to visit the description of this video, or you can check the comment section for my referral link. Once you use the link, guys, you are going to get a bonus. What you need to do is to put down your valid email address, then you click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. But before that, make sure to agree and close this cookie. Alright guys, so after putting down the email address, what you need to do is to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on register. Alright guys, so after clicking on register, it is going to bring you here. What you need to do now, you're going to see one last step: activate your pass to register. So you can see your smart pass. So we have just gotten a smart pass for you, so you can see the quest, you can see the points that you have. So earn points to unlock reward, track all your requests, access everything with your pass. All you have to do is click the link sent to your registered email at this. So you can see there are many other options. So now what you need to do is to go to your email box to check if you got a message from Smart Layer. Alright guys, so after clicking on activate pass in your email box, this is what you are going to see next. So you are going to see your smart pass. So here is blah blah blah. They are going to give you extra 25 points once you activate your Smart Layer pass. So you can see I've gotten another extra 25 points. Now what you need to do is to come down under quest and you perform some tasks so that you can get more Smart Layer point. And I'm going to show you guys how to go about it. So you can go ahead and read all these details here. So you can see SLN, complete quest. So now for the quest 2, what you need to do is to join Discord. And for you to join Discord, what you need to do is to click on connect Discord. So since my Discord account is already logged in on this browser, I'm just going to click on connect Discord. Then it's going to take you directly to Discord, where you need to link your Discord to the Smart Layer website. Alright guys, so it is going to bring you here. What you need to do is to authorize this transaction. So you just click on authorize to authorize the transaction, then you wait for it to process. Alright, then it's going to take you back to the smartlayer.network. So now let's wait for it to load. Alright, so let's bring it down. So not join yet. So connect your Discord and join our server to earn 150 points and complete the quest. So now we need to join their Discord first, and for you to join, what you need to do is to look for their Discord handle. So okay, look at it here. I'm going to drop it in the description of this video for easy access. So now I'm just going to join their Discord channel first, then I'm going to come back here and click on join server. So now let's Just wait for it to process. So now, since I'm using the browser, I'm just going to click here. So you just click accept, then wait for it to load for you to join the Smart Layer Discord group. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to make sure to read their terms and conditions. Normally, just click here. It's going to bring you here where you need to agree to the rules. Make sure to agree to the rules. You click here. Alright, click here, then you click on submit. After you click on submit, I think you are good to go. So if you click verification first way, then you click verify. You can make sure to read this. Gain access to Smart Layer. You need to prove you are a human by completing a captcha. Click on the verify. So you just click verify, and they are going to give you something to fill. So this is 6C, I think 27Q. So let's see. Then click submit. Alright guys, you have been successfully verified on Smart Layer. So this is how to join their Discord group. Then after that, you go back to the Smart Layer quest. You can see guys, I've already completed the task. So now what you need to do for quest 3 is to follow them on Twitter, which is now called X. So click here to follow them on Twitter. Alright guys, it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to just click on follow. Once you click on follow, you go back to the Smart Layer site. So you can see quest completed to follow them on Twitter, which is now known as X. So in case this is not completed yet, what you need to do is to just refresh the page. Then after that, what you need to do for you to gain more points on Smart Layer quest is to copy your referral code and share it to your friends for them to join. So what you need to do is to copy your link, send it to your friends for them to activate their pass. And again, you can complete quest 5 to tweet about Smart Layer. So what you need to do is to come here and you click to tweet. Alright guys, then it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to just click on post. Alright, so I just clicked on post. Now you can view this, or you can go to your profile and get the recent post. So I'm just going to go to my profile now and get this recent post. So click on share, copy the link, and you bring it here. After you bring it here, make sure to paste it here. So paste the link here, then you click on submit. So after clicking on submit, they are going to approve it. Then you're going to tick these 50 points for you. So you can see guys, task completed. So for the quest 6, this is temporary pause. Very soon they are going to start it again. So if you take it up, you are going to see, without referring anybody to join, you can see that we have gotten 350 points, and this point is going to be converted to the Smart Layer token when it goes to mainnet. So now if you take it down, you can see buy Smart Layer token. This Smart Layer token will go on public late in 2023. So via a token listing on an exchange, the details are still being hashed out, and we'll keep you updated as soon as we. So now guys, I'm going to show you guys another quest which you are to perform. What you need to do is to click on these perks. So you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So you can see claim perks and reward with your Smart Layer pass. So for you to perform these tasks, you are going to get a chance for points, and this is what you need to do. You need to click on collectibles, then it's going to bring you here. So you can see mint your smart cards now and unlock special Smart Layer network reward and perks. So this campaign is going to go live on the 17th of October 2023. So please make sure you are up to date. So for now guys, we cannot mint this, and for you to mint this, it is free, which is under the Polygon network, I think. So I read some details about it, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video for the smart cards. Make sure to go through this, make sure to read it so that you will know what this is all about. So for now guys, this is what you need to do. We just completed all the quests except for that of the referral. So please make sure to invite your friends to join this campaign so that you can accumulate more points, and this point is going to be converted to the Smart Layer token in the future. So guys, what do you have to say about this? Please, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.